Oil traded with a drop while NG trying to trade with a moderate support on the downside and trying to get a pullback here on the upside. See, still oil on the downside failed to breach past 86.5, very strong support levels. At the same time, NG at 6.85 failing to breach past, still trying to trade below. Now what can be expected, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe is missing on the profits. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Let's start. Also, do watch till the end and listen to it carefully. Now, let's have a look on the hourly chart. See, on the hourly charts, again, first we look into crude followed with NG, so do watch till the end. See, on the hourly charts, classical movement on oil, consolidation drop, consolidation or retracement and a sharp drop, consolidation and retracement and a sharp drop. Another series of bearishness can be expected below 87. Certainly, it will call for more bearishness. You can sell here at 87 and then we can expect 86.5 and below levels. Certainly you can expect it to drop till towards 86, 85.5. The next support below 85.5, more bearishness can be seen. On the upside, the resistance there at 88.5 is strong. Only above 88.5 you can buy there. So in between 87 and 88.5 you have to exercise extra caution. Yes, you can buy there at 88, but then 88.5 is another very good resistance. Directional movement bearish, stochastic trading comfortable. MACD is still bearish here. RSI looking downwards, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, classical movement here. Lower highs, lower lows. Support there at 86.5, very strong. Only below 86 you can expect that we are looking at more bearishness. 85.5 the next support, and below that it is going to fall heavily. Above 88, yes, you can buy. So in between 87 and 88, let's not trade, let's not refrain from trading in between these $1. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is trading flat at bottom. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now let's track the movement on the 3-hour charts. Same, lower highs, lower lows. Support there 86.5, resistance there at 88.5. These $2 is going to be the swing zone. We have to be alert in between these $2. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downward. The MACD divergent and bearish, and it is again trying to continue with the bearish move. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, so similar is the observation. Now see the slope of the charts here. This was an increasingly bullish slope, and this time see the slope, this is vertical here. The angle is sharp, indicating strong bearishness till the time it trades below 90. Yes, you should not consider this as bullish at all. Beyond 90, certainly you should not consider this as bearish at all. Now why this? See, this is just a retracement from the strong rally what we had seen. It is trying to retrace possible support levels at 86 to come in, and then below that we may see 84 and 82 levels. Every $2 below 86 we have got a support. We have to be cautious and alert of this. On the upside now 88 is the level. Beyond 88 only you can expect a rise, but then again 88.5, 89 should come in. Beyond that 90 is the next target. So only buy position today is above 88. Till the time it trades below 88, possibly we can see a little more drop. 87, 86.5, 86. Remember, 86 is going to be the strong milestone. Below that we can expect another round of drop till towards 84 levels. Directional movement trading oversold. MACD divergent and bearish. RSI looking downwards, indicating still little bearishness. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, certainly this is the third red candle. Almost 3 candles getting the resistance there. I told you in my weekly analysis that it can give you a flat top and then reverse from there, but at the same time this is the breakout here, and possibly the next candle which will start on this chart later. But yes, if you see it trading below 87, certainly we can expect another round of drop which might bring it till towards 85, 84 levels, the next support zone, and very strong support zone at 84 and 82. So possibility of a drop exists, but at the same time you cannot deny that we have to trade as per the levels. Yes, buy at 88, expect it to rise for 88.5, 89.2, 89.2 the next major resistance zone, and beyond that 90. Only trading above 90 you can confirm that it is trying to trade bullish and it is trying to reverse. Also on the daily charts, remember this fact, it is just achieved the highs of this channel, and yes, oil is still bearish. It is trading in this channel. Remember, the highs of this channel are done, and it is trying to reverse. Where is the bottom? Bottom is still far away, and it can continue with the bearish momentum. You have to be extra cautious while the bullish move with the long positions. You have to be extra cautious. Now look at the directional movement trying to converge, and it is bearish. Stochastic falling from the cliff, it is looking downwards. The MACD divergent and bullish, it is trying to converge here, and RSI 2 is falling from the cliff looking downwards. So certainly today a buy position can be taken at 88, but then 89.2, 90 is the level beyond which certainly little more bullishness can be expected. And on the downside, sell at 87, then you can expect 86.5, 86, and below that we can expect 84 levels, 82 levels, and below that a further crash can be expected. You have to trade as per the levels. You have to trade as per the with the stop loss and with the trailing stop loss. Yes, sell at 87, buy at 88. Do not trade in between this $1. Trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss. Let's have a look at NG now. And yes, if you want to learn this art of identifying the levels, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch starts on 7th of November. Only limited seats are available, completely on the first come first serve basis, so reserve your seats now. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. You can be part of my signals group. We are just trading as per the signals. Definitely you can profit, and else just support my effort here on YouTube by becoming a patron. That is, there is support tier with very little contribution, and just every penny contribution from you is a motivation for me. So become a patron. The links for to reach out to me via email or by Telegram or by patron, you can find the links in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at the early charts on NG. Now see, first NG, even if it is bearish, it has a scope for it to achieve 6.9, and only beyond 6.92 one can confirm that it is bullish, as it is trying to trade in this bearish channel on the hourly charts. Yes, if it breaks past 6.8 this time, certainly you can buy there. 6.8 is a good resistance. 6.82 rather, I will say, beyond 6.82 wait for it to achieve 6.9, and beyond 6.9, 6.92 you can expect another round of bullish move in NG. Also remember, it is giving you higher lows, and hence beyond 7 should be considered for a reversal. Directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is on the greener side trying to converge. RSI is looking upwards here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, see, let's have a closer look here. On the 2-hour charts, lower highs, higher lows trying to consolidate here. Any breakout beyond 6.8, certainly you can remain long here. Buy at 6.81, 6.82 levels. Expect 6.9 as the next target, and see, it is trying to trade in this. Certainly 6.85 the first resistance will kick in, and beyond 6.85 we can expect 6.9 levels. So take your positions accordingly. On the downside, I will recommend a sell position here at 6.7 levels. Below 6.87 certainly more bearishness will be seen, and you have to trade with caution there. Directional movement moderately bearish. It is already converged. Stochastic looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. Look at the MACD. This is divergent and bullish here, and RSI is looking downwards. So on the 2-hour chart, MACD is the only one which is trying to indicate a clear picture. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, look at these two candles, and this one, the third candle. Can you see stronger tails here? It indicates there is an upward pressure here on NG, and it is failing to sustain the lower levels. Yes, I will look forward for it to breach past 6.81 levels. Then 6.9 is very certain. Yes, 6.85 the first resistance, 6.9 to the next resistance, then $7 levels will come into picture. Beyond $7 levels, it is going to give you very strong move on the upside. Directional movement bearish trying to converge. Stochastic trading overbought, and hence possibility of a reversal on the downside is existing below 6.7. Yes, if you see it trading below 6.7, certainly you can expect a drop. The MACD on the 3-hour charts has crossed over, and this is in green. This is bullish. RSI trading flat. Now likewise on the 4-hour charts too, but at the same time 4-hour charts you can find out, see, two green candles here, and this candle trying to trade on the upside. Yes, it is trying to trade in this channel. 6.85 the next milestone appears to be feasible. You can buy here at 6.8182 and expect 6.85. Then beyond that you can expect a stronger move for 6.9 to $7 levels. below 7, beyond 7 it will fly away on the upside. At the same time, trading below 6.7 just remains sold, and you can find out 6.6 as the target, and below that you can expect 6.5 also. 6.5 very strong support for NG. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic bouncing back from the oversold zone. The MACD is willing to cross over for a bullish move, and hence NG appears to give a little bullish direction. MACD RSI trading flat. Now look at the daily chart. Now look at the daily charts. Lower highs, lower lows, it means 6.95 can be seen. Beyond 7, certainly you can consider it for another round for bullishness. And then 7.2 is the milestone which it needs to break. I will look forward for it to fly away beyond 7.2, 7.4, 7.6 cannot be denied. Directional movement bearish, stochastic trading flat. MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking upwards. Considering this, buy at 6.8182, sell at 6.7, above 6.8182, 6.85 nearest and strongest resistance, then 6.92, then $7 levels. Beyond 7 we can look forward to 7.2. On the downside, below 6.7 you can expect 6.6 and 6.52 milestones, and then 6.4. Trading below 6.4, it is going to crash strongly on the downside. So take your positions accordingly. Do not trade between 6.7 and 6.8. On the upside, till $7 levels, you have to be cautious and alert. And beyond that, certainly it will fly. On the downside, till 6.4, you have to be alert. And yes, I think possible bounce back is expected in NG, but let's see when it does. So trade accordingly. Trade with the trailing stop loss. Trade with a strict stop loss at cost. Whenever your trade is in profit, shift your stop loss to cost, and definitely preserving the capital will help you in taking multiple trades again. So trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.